For me, it's about find out what that timeline is so that I can figure out when you want to sell your house. Or if you need something, I can be there to service you. The servicing piece of it to me is to keep me in contact with them so that when they do sell their house or they know someone who wants to buy a house, I'm the first person they think of. So that's why that's why I continue to service them in that manner, to make sure that I am first and foremost in their minds.
Yeah, because if you think about it, I mean, we're not gonna make them do something they're not gonna do anyways. I mean, it's just helping them do what they were gonna do. So if we think we're gonna talk them into buying a house they don't wanna buy, that's not gonna happen. So
No,
you're right. It's about the service for when they are ready to do what they wanted to do.
But I do feel like there's a certain piece of it too, your confidence is in your expertise too, right? Know your market, know what's going on in different neighborhoods, know about what's selling and know what the over-unders are in the area. If you know that, then that's going to add to your confidence as well. So I feel like confidence is all incumbent of all of it, not just being confident in knowing who our vendor partners are and confident in the fact that we can refer them, but also have that competency of the market and knowing where and what this person needs.